Not only do auto suppliers need to remain compliant to APQP standards, but they're also faced with responding to bids accurately and timely. Today, I'll be previewing MCA Connect's Power App solution, Manufacturing Connect for Auto, Bid Response Management, an auto supplier solution that can help optimize the bid response process and enable users to easily view all of the data surrounding a program. At login, users are welcomed by our Manufacturing Connect for Auto dashboard, which is completely customizable to each user's need or current project. It can show your active cost requests, open opportunities by quarter, and active engineering requests. The dashboard can also display your daily activities and any open approval responses that need to be completed to help you stay on schedule. Now, let's take a deeper look into opportunities, where I've pinned a view of my open opportunities. Clicking into the details, you'll see the Opportunity Information section, which shows you a high-level overview, including design and manufacturing locations. In the Product Details section, extensive product categorization is seen, which not only helps organize the opportunity, but will assist with reporting later on. Another important section to highlight is the Key Dates section. You can see there are important deadlines listed here, all pulled directly from the RFQ to help you stay on track during the bid response process. Quote planning is the next tab over, where you're able to forecast and strategize for your quotes. This top section shows RFQ volume information pulled straight from the RFQ, and these bottom two sections are where different scenarios can be created to plan for the manufacturing and supply of the particular part. Here we've created two scenarios. One option shows you manufacturing in Europe using two different locations to fulfill the 45,000 parts. And the other option shows manufacturing the full 45,000 parts from one location in South America. The idea here is to build upon and adjust these scenarios to understand which is your best option from a cost and resource standpoint, ultimately submitting that scenario to your customer. You can create unlimited scenarios here, and they can be completely customized. As soon as you save your opportunity and quote planning information, the system auto-creates a summary of the records found here. Your scenario summaries are found up top, but the main sections to highlight are the engineering design request and costing request summaries. Based on the opportunity and quote information we submitted, the solution auto-created engineering design requests and costing requests for each manufacturing location in our scenario. Here you see we had 3 manufacturing locations, so there are 3 costing requests, and just one specific part for this opportunity, so just one engineering design request was created. On the right side, you'll notice your sales projections are shown based on the opportunity information entered. Now that we've covered opportunities, let's take a look at engineering design requests. You can access EDRs by clicking on the specific request in the opportunity, or you can access the information here on the left side. When I click into this request, you can see a summary of the EDR, who the request is assigned to, and other relevant details engineering may need to help manage the request activities and streamline the outcome. A target date is assigned to the owner to help keep them on track. When a new request gets assigned to them, they get notified via email to view and begin working on the task. Now let's take a deeper look into the costing requests. First, you can see from the tabs at the top that as multiple teams contribute to a costing request, each team will input their cost into their specific tab, like purchasing and tooling, process, and packaging and logistics. Once every team enters in their information, the total cost will be summarized under the General tab, showing all relevant information for the costing request, like engineering design-related information, opportunity-related information, total volumes, and more. So as a user, you don't need to open multiple records to find relevant information. It's all here summarized for you. Lastly, I'll cover proformas and quotes. Going back to the opportunity, you'll see under the Quote Summary tab the Proforma and Quotes sections. Once EDR and costing requests are complete, sales can complete multiple analyses in Proforma and submit a finalized bid in the quote record. The purpose of proformas and quotes is to manage processes, revisions, and previously submitted items. So as the OEM evolves the RFQ, you can track your revision history to see what changes have been made. You can constantly evaluate the opportunity to see its current state versus the original opportunity. So once sales has received all the input they need, they will put together a proposal and the bid information will be summarized here so your team can respond to bids faster and more accurately. That concludes our high-level overview of the Manufacturing Connect for Auto Bid Response Management solution. For more information or a complete demo, reach out to our MCA Connect experts at solutions@mcaconnect.com.